There is a Japanese word, suehirogari, that means development and prosperity. The word stems from the shape of Mount Fuji, which has been worshipped as a sacred mountain. When Mount Fuji is viewed from the peak, working your way towards the end, sue, it gets wider, hirogaru. The image paints a picture of having a broad, successful, and prosperous future. In relation to the Japanese folding fan, when it is upside down, it shows the shape of Mount Fuji, a symbol of good luck, which is why Japanese hand fans are considered mostly lucky. Japanese hand fans were originally used by the samurai class and Japanese aristocrats. Fans were once used as a form of material to write on, to communicate messages, as an instructive tool to educate, a symbol of status, and even as a weapon. The history of song, one of the official 24 histories of China that recounts the history of the Song dynasty, speaks of a Japanese monk named Chunen. He gave a gift of 20 wooden-bladed fans and 2 paper fans to the Emperor of China. This indicates the status of fans in Japan to be suitable enough to be given as gifts for royalty. Japanese fans were made of thin strips of Japanese cypress and thread. During the Heian period, folding fans were used in court to entertain aristocrats and for ceremonial use of monks. The Kamakura period saw China as the leading maker of fans, and during the Muromachi period, fans were imported to Japan as tang fans. Japanese fans initially had paper on only one side, while kata fans were designed with paper on both sides. Japan soon adapted the technique of double-sided fans. By this time, folding fans were used in all performances, in the tea ceremony, and by the common people. The fans quickly spread across Europe through trade on the Silk Road, where they were much coveted as decorative art pieces. During the Edo period, the art of making Japanese fans was recognized as one of the 3 major industries in Kyoto by the Japanese government, as Japan came to be known for the quality and beauty of their hand fans. By the 18th and 19th century, many European women from all social classes carried a folding fan as part of their daily ensemble. Today, fans are one of the most convenient and simple solutions for keeping cool. Japanese folding fans are just one of the many things that give us a peek into the unique culture and history of Japan.